This is tutorial 19 about FILLET XPERT. FILLET XPERT is a faster way for applying fillet, since it applies the fillet on the same edges by choosing the face. So let's activate FILLET XPERT, and let's apply the fillet by choosing this face. Just delete the first one here. So let's just choose this face and let's make the fillet 20 millimeter. Okay, and let's apply it on this face and make it 30 millimeter. So, and now we can apply it on this face as well. So let's choose this face, change 10 millimeter, and here we can apply the fillet on this side and $14, $13, then apply. So now we applied the FILLET XPERT on this tutorial.